I'm Richard Uslan, an attorney in Somerville, New Jersey, and you're watching this video because you or someone you know has been arrested for possession of drugs in Plainfield. Now, in a previous video, I discussed ways of attacking the admissibility of those drugs. But if the police did not violate your constitutional rights in that regard, don't give up hope. An experienced attorney can still help you in your defense. One way of doing that, first of all, is to require that the phlebotomist, in the case of blood evidence of being under the influence of drugs or having ingested drugs, excuse me, that being the person who drew the blood, or the chemist who evaluated this substance to determine that it is an illegal drug, must be brought to court. They must be subject to cross-examination. First thing is, the state may have some difficulty bringing them. There's only so many of them available in the state. Secondly, someone who has, an attorney who has a great deal of experience in science would be able to cross-examine them on a variety of factors, a variety of issues. Among them being whether or not, after looking at their laboratory notes, the blood was drawn in a medically acceptable manner, whether the drugs were evaluated by a chemist using proper techniques of mass spectroscopy. Another thing that often happens is that just like if you're in your house and you hear what sounds like rain on your roof but you don't see it, you still know it's raining. The prosecution tries to prove that you had drugs in your body by examining non-active metabolites in your urine. Now, the key there is that they're non-active. They're waste. They're byproducts. They're not the active ingredients of drugs. Oftentimes, that could be used to create a reasonable doubt in your case. These are all ways that experienced attorneys can challenge drug evidence. I've been doing this for over 30 years. So if you need my help, call me, visit my website, so we can discuss this in more detail.